Hey guys, today I'll show you a new way to unsuspend your suspended Twitter account. So if you want to get your Twitter account back, then this video is for you. As you can see, this account is currently still suspended. Now kindly go and log in to any web browser of your choice and follow the steps. After sending your appeal, kindly wait for 48 hours and you should receive an email saying your account has been unsuspended. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.